All right, boys and girls. Well, by this point, you've probably figured out that you raised the $1,400 for BGMC. Let's give a shout out of us. Way to go. So proud of you guys. Went out of your way. There's quite a few that gave quite a bit. And last week, your leaders needed to eat a bug kebab, and you did a good job. And I think that was enough, right, Pastor Richard, Miss Lauren? We don't need to, I don't need to eat anything else, right?
You need to continue.
Do you want to see me eat this? All right, take a look at that tarantula. All right, we're gonna eat this. You know what? Is anybody here willing to donate extra money to make Miss Lauren and Mr. Richard eat it? No? All right, it's time to eat the tarantula. All right, you ready? Here, I'm gonna break it apart. Should I start with the leg? Maybe I should start with the leg. Or look, the back part fell off. All right, here we go. Here we go, you ready? Count down with me. 3, 2, 1.
Go! Tastes good? How's that? Fried chicken? It's like fried chicken, right?
Wow!
You're turning into Spider-Man.
Oh! BGMC! Way to go! Oh. All right. Well, good job, boys and girls. That tarantula is in my mouth now. Oh. Way to go. I'm going to ask one more time. Is there anybody here that's willing to donate for me to eat the rest of this buck kebab? Look at that.
I do $50 if you eat the buck kebab.
50 bucks. Oh. Should I eat it? You guys did such a good job. Should I eat it?
Yeah, do it. Do it.
Good job raising money to build clinics in Africa. You guys are awesome. Back to your leaders.